The Chief Minister Imphal Khemchan stated that upgrading government schools to provide the light of quality education is a primary responsibility of the state government. He made the statement during the inauguration of a new science laboratory, classrooms and toilet facilities at Wabagai Higher Secondary School, constructed under the strengthening of schools under Samagra Siksha Manipur scheme. The event held at the school auditorium was attended by Wabagai Assembly Constituency MLA Dr. Usham Deben, Kakching District Deputy Commissioner Angelina Ranita R, along with senior district officials, teachers and students. Highlighting connectivity developments, the Chief Minister noted that passenger services on National Highway No. 2 resumed operations yesterday and continued today. He expressed optimism that this development will alleviate the financial hardships faced by commuters who were previously forced to rely on expensive air travel to travel outside the state. Addressing the education sector, the Chief Minister observed that government schools are showing steady improvement. Citing an example from his own assembly constituency, he mentioned that a school which had barely 12 students when he was elected in 2017 now enrolls over 250 students. He acknowledged that while financial constraints have led to some gaps in school infrastructure and manpower, public trust in state-run schools is rising. He urged all stakeholders to work collectively to further improve the standard of government schools across Manipur.
Transport ikhado ori and wari sum sana badagi tamna hegalakna angang jikti sani yang khemuk satra tame aduga mamangi metric ki result da tara manga metric thawda mi nipan normal angang nipan first division leta marks post yaw so aina thamjani isi sarkar gi school phagalat ma haibasi aikoi achobo challenge ama be koibam thoi hoi infrastructure moi daba khotaba mayam do Sana Simbang Modaba Kasu Lerangani, Adubu, I was the now they will let up Mana. I am by Yingzeli to our park, Legasu, I think once again. Aduna, I know, Luis Lepata, Tamjanisi.